Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Are you ready toddlers? Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready toddlers? Let's start the video. The first one is a peacock. This is a peacock. P is for peacock. This is a panda. P is for panda. This is a panda. This is a cat. C is for cat. This is a donkey. This is a donkey. This is a dog. D is for dog. This is a cow. C is for cow. This is elephant. E is for elephant. Elephant is a wild animal. This is a lioness. A lioness is a safari animal. This is a rabbit. A rabbit is a farm animal. This is a hippopotamus. This is a hippo. This is a tiger. A tiger is a wild animal. This is a deer. D is for deer. This is a lion king. This is a lion. A lion is a wild animal. This is a rhino. R is for rhino. A rhino is a wild animal. Bye bye toddlers.